This rich and creamy chocolate cake has one secret ingredient, avocados. So what you do is you get 300 grams of muscovado sugar and one avocado and blend it together until it gets to quite a thick and sticky consistency, as you can see here. Then separately, you get your dry ingredients, of which I've included what ingredients you need in the description below. But basically what it is flour, cocoa powder, bicarbonate soda, baking powder, soya milk and vegetable oil, and you can also add vanilla extract and some fine salt. You then add all the ingredients into the blender with the avocado and sugar and then mix together until it gets into a nice smooth consistency, as you can see. Add the mix to 2 sandwich tins and this will form the base of your cake. You then bake these for about 25 minutes. While you wait, prepare the frosting, and so get 85 grams of avocado and 85 grams of dairy-free sunflower spread, and then you just whisk it together. Then in a large bowl, add 25 grams of cocoa powder and add 125 ml of soy milk. Now the soy milk needs to be simmered or very warm, and then you gradually add it to the cocoa powder to create a nice smooth sauce. Then you melt 200 grams of chocolate. Doesn't that look amazing to you? Once that's all ready, you add your avocado mix and sift in 200 grams of icing sugar. You can also add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then you also add your melted chocolate and mix it all together until it becomes an amazing, smooth, creamy frosting. Add the frosting in between the sandwich cakes, and then once that's done, you put the chocolate frosting all over the cake, like you can see here. It's really making me hungry watching this video back. Once done, it should look a bit like this, and don't worry about mess or anything, it's all about the taste. It looks amazing.